So we're here getting tires put on the SS Pebbles. Right over there. You can see your butt end. They're working on the front right now. Can you see that down there?
There's the other tires. It's on the back. Pretty nasty. And here's the new ones. These are the new tires we're having put on. This is 6 of them.
So the guy came over and asked Dave how much air pressure he wants in the tires. They're supposed to have 90 to 100 in there, and I guess right now they're at 95. I don't know anything about tires, but they do have one on the coach now on the other side. I'll walk over and film it. Here's the new tire. Now they're putting the jacks under the back. The guy said never to use jacks on one side and not the other side because they could pop out your windshield. Dave and I have never heard of that. Honey, rub my shoulder. Something's biting me up top. Oh, okay, all right, that's good. Sorry about that, guys. Dave was rubbing my shoulder. How do they know which tire to put on there? Yeah. Okay, what's radioactive in there? So there they are. They're beautiful. Brand new sneakers.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
We'll see how it rides.
Gonna ride like a Ford.
Here's the front one. Thank you for watching.
And give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. Also, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. And share it with your friends and family.
We need 1,000 subscribers. Make sure you ring that bell so you get a notification.
Catch you on the road.
Bye. What's this turtle's name, honey?
Raphael.
Dave has named all the turtles around the area, and this one is Raphael. Bye-bye.